Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.6 on Linux Mint 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Then click on download or download. Also see here the latest release at the time of making this video 17.6. Okay, so click on download, then select Linux, then see here we don't have Linux Mint, but open terminal mod/etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is a code for Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so select Ubuntu. Then we have to run these commands one by one. See here we have three steps. First we will import the repository signing key, then we will create the repository configuration file, then we will update package list, then we will install PostgreSQL Server. So run these commands one by one. It is going to install :cs certificates. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already in your versions. Now import repository signing key. Copy this command. It is done. Control A. Now create the repository configuration file. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter, then copy this one. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. See here it is taking GI addition. Okay, so in this command we need to replace. First copy this command, Control A, paste it. See here, in place of this code name, remove this from version to $ to this code name. Just give Noble. Okay, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. See, this time we haven't received any error. Okay, Control A. Now install the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. See, if you want to install 16, give -16. If you want to install 17, give -17. If you want to install 15, give 15. But I want to install latest version, so don't give any version number and hit enter. See, PostgreSQL 17 is the latest version, so it will install this version. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Also see here, this is the data directory. See, these are the default max connection limit, that is 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. This is the time zone. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL, hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is running. Okay, now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server, but this is not the PostgreSQL server version, it is PSQL client version. To find the PostgreSQL version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17. Okay, Q to quit. Now first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user. We can also get the list of the users by running the command select use name from pg_user. See, we got the only one user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully set the password. Okay, now verify list of databases /l or list, both are same. See, we got the list of the databases, but we can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the list of the databases. Okay, Control A. Now create a database. Create database, then provide the name of the database /l. See, we have created database bank. Okay, now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, you have to use /c or connect, both are same. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database as user Postgres. Okay, now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer. See, we have created table /tt. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table. Type is object type is table. One is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these two rows. Okay, control A. Now create a user. Create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify /tu. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session, which is connected by Postgres to the PostgreSQL server, and connect with this new user. /q is the command to exit. Now PSQL-HH means hostname localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this PC, this machine. Okay, then you must be caps, then username David. Okay, -d means database, provide database name, then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, see here, that is the password. Okay, see, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Okay, see, we have successfully connected to database bank as user Postgres. Okay, now try to access the table that we have created. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created table but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Linux Mint 22. Okay, we can't stop or start with the Postgres user, so exit from this user. Control L, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now verify the status, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL, hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive. We have stopped it 6 seconds ago. Quit. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server, sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So exit from the Postgres user, then start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is started. Okay, control A. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl, just give restart flag here, then provide the service name. See, we have successfully restarted. Okay, quit. The last option that I want to show you is configuration files location in PostgreSQL server. Sudo connect to PostgreSQL server, PSQL show config_file. See, this is the main configuration file. Show HBA means host based authentication. See, this is the HBA file location. Both are in the same directory. If you want to find the data directory, just use show data directory. See, this is the data directory. In the same way, if you want to find the log directory, show log_ directory. See, we got the log directory information. Okay, exit. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Linux Mint operating system. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.